Here we are at the Bisti Badlands, a place called the Egg Hatchery. It is pretty amazing, as you can see. We were here for early sun. Now we're getting some deeper shadows. I'll turn it around and you can see all the fun and games we've had this morning. This one looks like some sort of fossil, the way that one sits. There's some more. This one looks like it's just hatched a while ago. So you can see it's pretty amazing and definitely unique. Bisti Badlands. Definitely something you don't see every day. It was 1.7 miles to get here from one of the parking lots, and we had an app that was instrumental in making sure we would make it without getting lost, because there are really no trails. It's just walking and following your route. Now, if a fella could find some petrified wood around here, that would really be a win. Let's see what we have here. Oh my, look at that. That looks to be petrified wood. Pretty amazing. And then over there, it looks like a sombrero. Some more hoodoos, as we still are in the Bisti wilderness, not to be confused with Bryce Canyon, which is famous for all the hoodoos. But this is cool, no doubt about it. You can see in back of me just the outstanding formations. Pretty cool. All right, we'll continue on our Bisti tour here shortly. There's even some photographers out here taking pictures of rocks. Can you imagine that? Good grief. Just random. Very random, it seems. We hope to return in a cool month to explore further. We had to eliminate our planned second day at Bisti Wilderness because rain was in the forecast, which would have really bogged us down in sticky mud. It seemed like any bit of moisture would have made the trek just about impossible. But overall, we were pleased with what we captured in just one day. Thanks to God for cool clouds, certainly better than a bluebird sky. There is a large area we plan to visit in the coming months where weird and unusual rock formations abound. The music, Western Drive by 99 Instrumentals and Pioneers by Jason Shaw, gave me the vibe of seeing a squinting Clint Eastwood riding in on his horse. Well, I hope you enjoyed the story. For more cool stuff, check out my website at coolingphotography.com. Thanks for watching.